what do you think आज के टाइम का SRK कौन हो सकता है from the industry?
कोई नहीं बन सकता because SRK is SRK and he's humblest, person who is there, and I really feel that he's irreplaceable.
What do you have to say about My Melbourne, this film festival, and what are you representing?
So I think Engendered Film Festival, I view Engendered Film Festival is a very precious festival which celebrates diversity, gender, arts, its intersectionality, and I'm really glad that the opening film is our film My Melbourne, because it's a film that celebrates diversity and inclusions in various forms. It's not only the stories, because the four stories that form a part of My Melbourne are the four pillars of diversity: sexuality, disability, race, and gender. And apart from it, also the working pattern. We worked with people with disability from different with different gender identity, different sexual identity, different racial identity. So it was truly a very inclusive journey of filmmaking. And yeah, I think it was also exciting because I think it's for the first time something like this is happening, where Indian filmmakers are going to a place like Australia
Yeah.
and mentoring, filmmakers there,
That's a proud moment.
teaching them the language of Indian cinema. Whereas what we also, it's a give and take. So I think what all of us learned and cherish is the way how inclusive the industry there is about empowering people with disabilities, especially while working.
So, yeah, so also talking about AI, artificial intelligence, we have seen that it has helped a lot of sectors in a way. But, talking about filmmaking process, so how is it contributing to it?
See, I feel that everything has plus and minuses, and I feel at the end of it, especially in a country like India and world over, and people are already thinking of the negatives, because it kind of also, like deflake and all, it's also can be used in a very wrong way, creating fake videos, and also it can affect employment. You can't be replacing human being and the talent of, and why do we do that at the end of it, instead of empowering more people, and instead of valuing the beauty of imperfection, because there is a beauty in imperfect human intelligence rather than artificial quote unquote perfect. So I rather, like I tell people, like when I said, oh, these days, you can when you're writing something, you can just use AI and suddenly you have options. And and sometimes you realize that when you talk to a person, that person can't really speak, and then the messages that come seem like someone else's. And I keep saying that I rather have my spelling mistakes at times, my grammatical mistakes, but it's me and not someone else speaking for me. So I am a believer that yes, use it for the things that is necessary for, but it should never replace the beauty of human imperfection.
Okay, so talking about your film, My Brother Nikhil, it was the first film at that time talking about the same sex relationship. So do you think कि उस टाइम पे थोड़ा सा आसान रहता था, फ्रीडम रहती थी, और अब आके थोड़ा सा क्योंकि अब क्या है, everybody is a critic nowadays. So what do you have to say about that?
I feel that in a way you're rightly said, because also, though in 2005 when I made My Brother Nikhil, uh, homosexuality was still criminalized by law, but at that point I got a U certificate without cuts. Okay, and in 2011 when I did I Am, which got 2 national awards, I had to fight nearly 6 months with the film certification board, okay, because they wanted to delete 21 minutes of the film. And then I think in 2017, when I did a film called Shab, which also dealt with sexuality partly, I had to fight for a year.
Yeah.
And 2022, when we are already decriminalized by law, one of the films that I was trying to make about a real person got uh, banned, so even before I could do it. So in a way, even my last film, recently I got it censored, and this film certification board had a problem that a child says to the uncle that mama, aap gay ho, and मम्मी ने मुझे बताया and मैं आपसे I love you.
Yeah.
And the film certification board said that, oh, why should a child use the word gay? So you realize that in a way we are moving backward, because in 2005 I got a U certificate,
Yeah.
right? So I feel that is there, and yes, also because of social media, everyone seems to suddenly think that just because they have an opinion makes them a critique.
Yes.
And I feel that they don't realize that being a film critic is an art. You need to learn, like everything, like a profession. So I think there is a little bit of a disrespect about what you do. Like, I'm really impressed that you have done your homework so well, because there are people who will tell that, oh, I have these questions, will you just answer? And I'm like, no, that's like talking to myself. Unless you have a ear listening to me, I don't want to talk.
So I want to know कि what do you think आज के time का SRK कौन हो सकता है from the industry, talking about the actors?
कोई नहीं बन सकता, because SRK is SRK and is special. And some people are not replaceable, and I
Yes.
think SRK is not only as a star, but also as a human being. I think he's one of the nicest, humblest person who is there, and I really really feel that he's irreplaceable.
Yeah. So one last message for your fans.
Watch films in the theater, not on your phone. Films are meant to be watched in the big screen, on the big screen, and celebrate cinema, all kinds of cinema. Go for big commercial films, also go for small films like All We Imagine Is Light or Village Rockstar. They also need to be cherished. Just like once in a while you have biryani, but it shouldn't take away the taste of pani puri.
Yeah.